Deleting your Zoom account isn't just one click. There are a few things you need to handle first. Here's how to do it properly without running into issues. Before you permanently delete your Zoom account, take a few minutes to save what matters. Some data is gone the moment you terminate. There's no undo. Now let's walk you through the process. If you're on a paid plan, cancel your subscription first. You won't be able to use the terminate option until your account is downgraded to free. To cancel subscription, log into your account at zoom.us and click Manage Plan. Find your plan and click Manage. Click Cancel Plan, then follow the prompts to confirm your cancellation. Your account stays active until the end of your billing cycle, then reverts to free. Since we still need to finish the cycle of the paid plan, let's use a free account to demonstrate. On the left side panel, scroll down to the Admin section. Then click Account Management. Next, select Account Profile. Scroll to the bottom of the page and click Terminate My Account. A confirmation prompt will appear. Select the Send Code button and a verification code will be sent to your email. Copy and paste the code to proceed. After you confirm, you'll be logged out and redirected to the Zoom homepage. Once you leave Zoom, your meetings don't stop. If you switch to Google Meet or Microsoft Teams, you'll still need a way to capture everything. That's where Tactiq can help. Tactiq is a free Chrome extension tool that gives you free real-time transcription for Google Meet, Microsoft Teams, and Zoom, so your notes follow you wherever your meetings go. Try Tactiq free and start capturing your next meeting. Subscribe for more Zoom meeting tips.